see guys who try to snatch. I see motorcycle and two guys who try to snatch Korean phone. They again here. I want to see. I think they leave already. They park motor here. Same guys, same. Yes, we already right. No, don't have. I hope in the video have before. Same motorcycle, same guys. And also without license plate. Yes, we already moved.
얘는 스파이시 먹고 싶다는데.
So guys, be careful here. Snatchers again here. Sorry, I don't have time walk here because Georgi waiting for me. He moved to new apartment, new house. I have CCTV camera in my car. I will check. Maybe have again faces. Now I go into Georgi apartment and move him to our place. And you can watch in the channel Filipino Unfiltered about our life, but about Fields Avenue and this area I will post in It's My Life Philippines. Take a look how he drive here. Today not expected filming in channel It's My Life Philippines. I want only move Georgi to our place and show in the video in Filipino Unfiltered our channel. Take a look, we already remove logo, hotel name, maybe someone buy and change name. Garden View Hotel still closed. I already called to police about this what happened in Balibago I seen. And later I come back to home, I will check CCTV camera of my car, and also I will send to police this information. This is, but I see same people, same motorcycle. So I continue. So be careful, guys.